No. I broke it. Hey guys, in this video I am going to be taking apart this Chinese action camera. So first I'm going to get a super small screwdriver and as well as a magnet to keep all the screws from getting lost. So when I turn this over, you can see that there are 4 screw holes down here. I'm going to be unscrewing each of one of these to actually take off the lid. So once I unscrew all these, it should just come off. It should be very simple, unless you didn't unscrew all of them completely. Now it should come off. There you go. Okay, so as you can see here, this yellow part that you can see here is the battery, and there are 2 of them. So it takes a lot of power. Now let's just remove this. No. I broke it. To remove this, there are 2 screws here. Okay, once you remove that, it should just come off. What the heck was that? Oh, okay, this goes on top. And this what looks like to be a microphone, just like come off like that. Okay, that actually wasn't that hard. Okay, let's turn it out of the way. So here's the most interesting part. Right here we got the 2 individual cameras. This is a 3D camera, so that's why there are 2. And as you can see, it has a flex cord to connect it to the motherboard. So let's first actually see what we can remove. Fingerprints all over the screen. I'm first just going to remove all the flex cables. It's all slide off like that. Screens, okay. You can see here there's a bunch of screws right here. So I'm just gonna unscrew all that. Looks like I got all the screws out. This motherboard's loose because I unscrewed those probably. Oh, there you go. It came out. And here's the motherboard. See that this is like, oh, what the heck? No. It's literally got like white paste on my hands. There you go. Okay. I want to get that on my desk. Okay. So I'm going to remove the battery. You can't really do that. So this is the motherboard and this is the battery, but then let's put that aside and let's try to take out the part that actually looks like the part where you actually charge it, and that the part that connects to the motherboard and to the LCD monitor. Oh, that came out. So as you can see here is a module. Here's the other one. Now I don't know which one goes where, because I'm sure it depends where this actually goes. But let's just set that aside and let's try and remove the rest. Now there is some like steel, I think. It's like a steel like a steel structure, so it looks very durable. I don't think I can get these screws because they're just like at an angle that is so weird. Okay, we got it out. So now it just come out like, really? Oh, it looks like it's like in this like casing. There we go. Just come out. I don't have any like pliers. I don't have any plier tool that could like just play it off. There we go. Okay, so I got it off. Yeah, let's just try and move this. There we go. Here is the LCD with a bunch of fingerprints. Oh, and the circuit board came off. Okay, what we have of the infrastructure is just this. And the outer cases. Now, I'm not gonna remove this because you're not really gonna see anything. Sorry. So now, with all these giant parts, let's try to put it back together. So I rearranged them in a way so I'm a bit more organized. So putting this back together, I'm going to start with the steel frame. Man, I don't know where to start actually. You know what, I'm actually going to start by putting this monitor back in. Step 1, put the monitor back in. Okay. Okay. If I can squeeze this flex cable through here. There we go. Now, the part I'll find the hardest way I'm supposed to put this back. Okay. I'm guessing it goes like this. Like that. Yeah, there we go. If I'm having too much trouble with the flex cords back on, I'm not gonna do it. I'm usually horrible at putting flex cords back on. Literally just came off. These are on this specific. Okay. Oh, they came off again? You serious? No, let's just like first like just screw it on. So it's in there. Okay, these use the big fat screws as I remember. Okay, I love that these are magnetic. If they weren't, that'd be so annoying. Ugh. Really? Sorry for putting the camera off frame. I can't really. This camera, the one I'm putting back together, because I can't really look at the screen. Oh my god. I'm just like scratching the board. And so with a different side. This is the worst thing ever. Ow, that hurt. Oh, I have a screw in here. You see, I'm like trying to screw this part back in. I can't zoom the camera anymore, so can't zoom any closer. Plus the focus isn't the best, so try to kind of not zoom it in too much, so it's become blurry, and the whole thing will become blurry. Okay, we got the third screw in, now the fourth screw. I'm just putting this back the exact opposite way I put it in. Or no, put it out. So I'm just like reversing all the steps. That's how I always do it, because if I do it differently, it usually ends up not working. And yeah, you probably know what happens. Okay, I'm trying to get like this flex cable of this monitor in the board. No, you know, I'm probably not gonna be able to put it in, so I'm just not gonna put that one back in. The other ones are pretty easy because they're very exposed. Let's do it this way. Okay. I totally forgot. I don't remember how I put it. Okay, so I'm guessing. I'm just guessing from now on. Ugh, I hate this so much. Okay, so if that connects to that, it probably goes this way. It goes this way. Here we go, we're going somewhere. Not real. I'm getting like white cream all over my hands. This is like so messy. Didn't expect this to be messy. Okay. Why doesn't this fit? What? It's like too wide. How is this put together? Okay, I'm guessing the battery goes in here. So the board like goes up. No, I think I remember myself like not seeing that at first. I think it went upside down. It's gonna take a while.
One eternity later.
Okay, the screw holes. How does it go like that? Oh, okay, wait, let me see, because this will help me, because I know where the ports are on this. Okay, this is where the HDMI side is, so. Okay. More that white cream in my hands, I hate that so much. As you can see, there are a bunch of I/O there. Oh, so that went set. Oh. So that it's like goes. Of course it does. It goes like this. Oh no, I'm getting so much white paste in my hands. So it goes like that. I'm just testing this. So it goes in here. Oh, it's fitting. We're doing it. Okay. But I think I put it in backwards. Wait. Sorry, this is a lot. Okay, so it goes this way. Oh, I hate that paste. And the battery is like hanging out. I hate it. Okay. Here we go. I don't know why I was like not fitting before. This is the reason. Okay. Okay, here we go. You got it in. Okay, I lined. Sorry, you guys can't see it, but I lined the screw holes with the holes for the screws. Okay. Why did I choose a disassembly channel? Like teardown stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna screw all the way because I'm gonna put in screws evenly. Besides, bad things can happen. Literally, bad things can happen. What? Oh, Simon, reach it. I don't think it's even right. Look, all these screws are literally different sizes, all of them. So like, guess which one would it be? With the white paste in my hands, makes it like 10 times harder. Not really harder, just makes it annoying. Whoa, what the? What? I just saw smoke. What? There's like smoke. There's literally like a giant ball of smoke go up. I don't know why that doesn't feel good. This isn't working. This is not working. Should I like go full force on this? Oh.
3 hours later.
First I break it, then I don't know how to put it back together. Oh, okay, so the boards doesn't line up. Okay, I get you. I get you. Okay, I think I need to unscrew this. Okay, I made a mistake, I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, this little metal tab right here, the one where my screwdriver's on, supposed to align with the board. Not like that. Doing it so wrong. What? Yeah, no, it's supposed to align with it though. There you go. It's supposed to align with it like that, so it can keep it locked in one place. Okay, so now I know what to do. Okay, I got it up. Oh, the magnet. Okay. Let's try and put this back together now. I sometimes hate assembling things. Oh, really? Okay, there. No. Okay, it's aligned. No, it's not aligned. Okay, there we go. I'll screw it back on. It's so frustrating. Can't let go of the board. That's just gonna fall again. Okay. It's not falling. It's good. Go inside. Probably just gonna like cut all this out. Okay, there we go. We got one screwed in. Let's start of the middle. Let's start of the middle. Oh yes, I got screwed in. We're doing it. We're actually doing it.
A few moments later.
So that's so annoying. Okay, now let's put the battery in. Who cares about the flex cord? Actually, I do care. Oh, okay, it's there. I was like, what? Where? It's probably gonna be hard because it's like. No, let's just skip that. Sorry, I'm not good at doing things like. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're actually getting pretty far. Ugh, I broke the microphone off of it also. Oh, using that for something else. Actually, no, I'm just gonna put it there. Back on where it belongs. It's making me so frustrated. If you like seeing me being overwhelmed, like this video. What's that? It's like glue. Okay, I don't know if I'm able to put these back on. Can't do anything. I don't think that's good for the flex cable. It's so hard. No. It's so hard. Okay. It's actually pretty hard to do this. Am I supposed to? Ah, this is getting me so annoyed. I'm supposed to put it in first. Okay, now let me try to. I'm not actually getting frustrated, but I am. So it's both. I am not, and I am. So I guess you can't really see me screwing the things in because this camera doesn't have a really far zoom. So I know it's kind of annoying. I would be annoyed also. Don't dislike the video because of that. I forgot where these went. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, I'm guessing this helps. The spring helps the microphone. Actually, no, I don't know what it is used for. Okay, let's put these plastic pieces we had earlier. Oh, we're so close to being done. Ugh. What? Oh, just a line. This is actually well made. That's what I learned today. These black screws, the last two. Now the screws that we use to take off the shell from the other half of the shell, they just like stay on the shell because it's kind of like, I think, the lock screw, so it's not gonna come off. Where'd it go? Where? Well, that's gone. What? Oh, it's right there. It's actually on the hole. Okay. Oh my god, we screwed it back on. Not for the grand finale. put this back in. I mean, it's definitely not gonna work with all the things I broke. And it's gonna break. After this. Okay. Okay. What? Stop. Oh wait, what? Oh, they're right there. Okay, I was just like, where are the slots? I'm gonna put these back on, actually. It should be quite simple, actually. I think. Or not. Frog. If you can't hear it, it's just a frog in the background. Probably should have done that, but okay, we got the and then one came off. Screw it, who cares? Screw it. And on this one, I'm definitely not getting on because I have to like kind of just like hold it. No. Yeah, it's frustrating. So frustrating. Okay. Oh my god, this is not gonna come. Ooh, that sound. Okay, that didn't work. That is not working. Oh yes, we got it. Oh my god, so close to destiny. Dude, the IO doesn't line up. Does it? The IO doesn't quite line up. Who cares? I'm not redoing that again. Okay, one screw left. Okay, here's the last screw. One. Yes, we got it. Okay, so as you see, the IO doesn't quite line up, but who cares? You can always cover it up with this slot. But the buttons are still clicky clacky. Other than that, I assembled it back together. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.